Hello everyone. Today's topic is a constructor in Java. What is mean by constructor? Constructor means that constructor class name is same as constructor name is called as a constructor. What is used by constructor? Constructor use that the reusability of code to instantiate of variable to use that the constructor. There are three types of constructor: no argument constructor. Second one is a parameter constructor. Third one is a default constructor. Mm, Declaring of constructor. There are some rules of declaring to the constructor. First one is a constructor name same as class name. Second one is a constructor does not return type, means that it's even void. Third one is a JVM automatically created to the object is a default constructor. Constructor does not accept to the synchronization abstract static final method. Fourth one is a constructor to the access modifier to use that public, private, protected, and default to accept to the access modifier. Does not to the even within to the four access modifier. Uh, See that type of constructor. To see that first one is a no argument constructor. The constructor does not accept to the argument is called as a no argument parameter as no argument constructor. Means that syntax of no argument constructor means that class in present in a variable declaration in present of constructor in a variable declaration is a no argument assigning to the value in present in a constructor. This is no argument constructor. Second one is a parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor means that constructor to the accept of one or more parameter to accept in a constructor within a constructor is called as a parameterized constructor. Means that are present in a different data type are present in a constructor: integer, character, float, string, double. Here are different data types are present in a parameter to pass that constructor. Syntax of parameterized constructor means that class name present in constructor is passed by parameter is inside this constructor to use that access the treating the object to the access instantiate variable to use that parameterized constructor in this keyword. Next one is a default constructor. Default constructor means that does not accept to the any argument or any parameter to accept. This is a default constructor. To automatically JVM created by object is called as a default constructor. Default constructor to the pass by directly value to is to the JVM automatically created the object is called as a default constructor. In present in a Java supported the constructor overloading and Java constructor overloading. Java constructor overloading means that there are three constructors are present. First one is a default constructor, second one is a one parameter, and third one is a two parameter. Main method are to creating the object of class as a constructor to the call to the first constructor, second constructor, and third constructor. Pass by value. First in a default value. First one is a one value, second one is a two value, and third one is a three value. To the automatically to call that constructor in first value to assign the first object to the constructor is defining that the constructor overloading. There are next one is a this and super keyword to use that constructor. Super keyword to use that to access that parent class to the access all property to in super class. To use that a constructor, we use that a super keyword. Super keyword hidden of the default constructor in the line, does not show in a show to the default constructor inside the constructor of super keyword. And this keyword is used at the reference of object to the new object created at the instance variable. To use that this keyword. Thank you.